Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to reject incoming call from lock screen on iPhone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to my browser, and if you want to decline, iPhone incoming calls from a lock screen, just you could just decline an incoming call when your screen is locked. It just takes a couple more clicks. Pressing the lock button once will stop your iPhone from ringing or vibrating, and the second click, which is will decline the call by double tapping the lock button, right? If you tap it once, that means that you will let it ring, right, on a vibration or something like that, or on a mute. But if you are actually double click the lock button, you're gonna be able to send a message that I declined your call. So be sure and be aware on what you do when you get a call from someone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.